Hi friends. So far we have been talking about all individual insurances like life insurance or health insurance or even for that matter retirement planning, which you as an individual will approach the insurance company and try to take the benefits out of it. Now today I'm going to talk about corporate insurance. Okay, what does this corporate insurance really mean? Now every company where you're working as an employee does have group insurance. Now what is this group insurance? Group insurance are of several types actually. There could be group term insurance covering the life of an employee. There could be group gratuity scheme, which also covers the life of an employee in addition to paying a gratuity. The beautiful advantage of that is, if the person unfortunately dies even before the completion of 5 years, which is mandatory as per the Gratuity Act, he does have a life insurance coverage payable for him in addition to the gratuity benefit. Now, there is also called a group superannuation scheme, which is nothing but a pension scheme. So, in case you are in private and you don't have the privilege of having a pension from the government of India, the companies can enter into an agreement with the insurance company and try to arrange a pension scheme for all the employees depending upon various criteria. So, this could be into two types. One, it could be a defined benefit. That is what you want to receive as a pension can be determined well in advance and you can pay the contribution accordingly. The second could be you can go on contributing and at the end of the tenure when you reach 60, your pension will be determined. Okay. Now there is also so many other group benefits like, group credit scheme, group leave encashment and all those things. We have a host of other corporate insurance in them. But the emphasis what I would like to lay here is group superannuation scheme, because pension is very important for any person, after the retirement, which is very important. And if your company does not have it, please let me know your address and your employer's address. We will try to contact the employer and see that a pension scheme is regulated for you. Number 2, group term insurance. In case people who are not able to afford term insurance on an individual basis, we try to approach the employer so that term insurance is given to all the people. And this term insurance is much more cheaper than what you can take outside as an individual person. So please let us know your employer has got the scheme or not. If not, please share the details and we will try to contact your employer and see that you are given a term insurance on a group basis, which becomes far more cheaper than you going outside and seeking insurance. Okay. Then once again, the Provident Fund and the gratuity group schemes. So let us know whether you have a Provident Fund and a gratuity scheme, which obviously will be there for any employer. But if you share with us the details of an employer, what we would do is we would give you more of the benefits than what just the regulation offers. So, Gratuity Act and the Provident Fund Act only determines the amount of contribution along with the interest what is accumulated in that. But we give even the life coverage attached with these schemes. So, that's the advantage of taking group schemes with insurance company. So, my dear friends, in a nutshell, what I wanted to convey is if your company has not got group term insurance, group superannuation scheme and group gratuity scheme, please let me know in the description box where my mobile number is. We will contact your employer and see that a good scheme is floated in your company for the benefit of you and the employees around the company so that you and your family are well secured, receive a good amount during your lifetime, during your retirement and always. With these few words, I'd like to end my video. If you like this channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you get notifications of my informative videos like this and pass it on to your friends and relatives so that they also get benefit out of it. Okay friends, I hope you will get in touch with me for these schemes if it is not available in your company, and we will try to see that you, the employer and us all are profited in the way. By the way, the last but not the least, your employer also gets a tax rebate on the schemes what is floated here. So that's an advantage for the employer as well. Okay.